Alright, I found that bit that I dropped. That sucked. Don't use these. These are bad. And don't leave them in your engine either, because that's just stupid. You're just asking for trouble. Alright, so pretty sure I got all the screws. So there's one here, there's one here, one here, one here, one here, and then repeat on the other side. I pulled this plug, it's right here, and I did pull that hose off. It's just clamped. You squeeze the clamp, you pull it back, or what I did was I worked the clamp down the hose and then I just pulled it. And I like to shove it in like a crevice, so if I close the tank, it won't close because that's in the way. Alright, and then hopefully, I think this box will just open. I don't need to do that, guy. So, pry the box open.